What's up everyone, this is Masashibata from Tokyo, Japan. How are you guys doing? Today's gonna be a vlog about all the setup that we are going through to bring in a new cat to our home. So this place, the apartment that we are living in right now, it's okay to have a pet and we've always wanted a cat and we are ready to welcome one soon. So it's gonna be like a vlog where we do all the setups and what kind of procedure that we went through so that we actually are ready to welcome the cat. Hope you guys enjoy! So the first thing has arrived. It's larger than I thought it would be, but ta-da! This is the Pet Kit Pura Max 2 self-cleaning cat litter box. So yeah, it's the toilet for the cat. It's pretty big. We're gonna do a setup soon, but I can sit on it. Ooh yeah. Let's bring this in. We plan to fit it in here. Should fit perfectly like this. Let's open it up. The second parcel has arrived. Let's open it up and see what it is. Ta-da! Automatic water dispensing machine. It's the drinking water for the cats. I didn't know this, but it's better for the cats to have drinking water that's flowing. Not like still, but flowing constantly so that it's more clean. So that is what we got. Let's open it up. Looks like one of those bougie lamps. Ooh. Oh, what? Ah, here it is. Oh, okay. We have some filters, the AC, and what are these? And the paperwork. We fill up the water here, I think, and it's gonna come flowing out. And I think some of these are going to filter the water, keep on purifying the water so that the water stays clean. Right now, we got the water machine. Okay, we have other stuffs as well. As you can see, the cat tower, very cute. Mofu cat. It's this one. How long did it take to set this up?
15 minutes.
15? So it took just about 15 minutes to set this up. I didn't do the work, my girlfriend did all the work. Yeah, so that's the cat tower. It's about 130 centimeters tall, I think. We learned that rather than the space, it's the height, and they want to see outside. I think it's better for the cats. Let's see how our cat will play with it. Some other stuff. I have all the other goodies in front of me right now. Okay, let's start with this one. Ta-da! The cat scratching board. They come with this cat toy, I think, so that the cat can play with it. I'll open it up later. We have another scratching board. I like this one. The bathtub. Very cute. And yes, very essential stuff. Nail clippers. Let me just open it up. It's like this. It comes with batteries. I heard that it lights up so that we can see their claws. And food bowl for the cat. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Cute color. Oh, yes, this one. Ta-da! The cat window hammock. It comes with this. Well, this is the hammock part, I think. It's fluffy, it's cozy. So we'll set this up later too. Some other cat toys like this and this. It seems like this chirps like a bird, so the cat wants to play with it and it can hear the sound, I guess. We also got a ball. I'm actually filming this the day we are going to pick up our cat, and ta-da! This is the pet carry bag. It's for a mid-sized dog, I think, but it should definitely work for our cat as well. It's the Snoopy, the Peanuts. So we're gonna bring this, and wait just a second. I'm back. Yeah. So some of the this pet sheets. I'm not sure what you call this in English, but in Japanese we call it pet sheets. It's for the litter. It's for the pets to pee, and we're going to set this up in the cage. Right? Yeah. So we're going to set this in the carry bag so that it's okay if the cat pees inside the bag while we carry him. And also another essential deodorant tofu cat litter. So this is gonna go in the toilet, the automatic toilet that I just talked about earlier. It's pretty heavy. This is made from tofu.
Yeah, I think.
Anyways, the cat litter. So that's we're gonna put this in the toilet. That's it. This is the cat litter. It's pretty heavy, and it also smells sweet. We're gonna go pick Alfie up. Ready?
Yay!
I'm a little bit nervous.